Hello, my name is Matt Nolf. I'm the owner of P&G Technologies. We're a supplier of propane and natural gas products. Kind of wanted to give you a little bit of a background on the company, along with myself, the history that I have in this industry. I was fortunate enough to be able to work along some of the greatest forefathers in this industry in the propane side and the natural gas side. I got to work with Herbert Hills, which was a lovely man, very good man. Dick Baverscott, Ack Miller, Robert Rood, which actually Robert worked for me in the beginning. And I worked with my father. My father, Robert Nolf, started in this industry in '62. Started off delivering propane for a local company here for cylinders, and got into working with the mechanical side, and it took off from him from there, and he started his own company called Propane Carburation. Through the years, a lot of things made its change. He then started Nolf's Carburation, which ended up being a very big leader in the market for propane products. Myself, I've been in business with propane and natural gas technologies now since 2003. And we did a lot with the forklift industry, the sweeper industry, a lot of the industrial market. We're now swinging our business a little bit more over to the generator side. We're trying to start doing videos of custom kits versus just a throw-in-the-box kit that everybody's been used to for several years. So we've been doing videos on several different units. There's thousands of them out there, so we'll never get to all of them. But we're taking one at a time and trying to make it easier for you, the customer, to be able to install these kits. So just kind of wanted to give you a little bit of a history on the company. I appreciate you purchasing from us. We're just a small family-owned and operated business, looking to grow a little bit. And I just want to thank you for supporting us. We really do appreciate it. And, thank you for watching this video, and thank you for supporting us. I want to thank you again. Appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.